Outlook suffered a massive outage on November 16th, 2018. Many people could not log in or receive messages.
Hello? Hello?
Now, could you imagine the consequences if your business email stopped working? And it's not just emails that are affected in this case, but all of your critical documents, presentations, and worksheets then become vulnerable. If you never thought of backing up your cloud data because you are using a trusted cloud productivity app like Office 365, you should watch the rest of this video. Hey everyone, I'm Jake from SysCloud, and today I'm going to explain why you should back up your Office 365 data. Number 1, human error. Did you know that 70% of data loss incidents are caused by human error? A careless click could wipe out all your critical data, putting the entire business at risk. Number 2, easy data retrieval and increased business productivity. If you have a backup of your emails and attachments, you don't need to worry about accidental deletions or data loss. You can easily save time with a quick restore. If you don't have a backup, your data restore options are restricted to limited retention periods defined by Office 365. But that's not all. Restoring data manually is prone to errors and data duplication issues. Number 3, business continuity. Besides accidental deletions, having a secondary copy would help during natural disasters. Cloud backups are held throughout the country in different locations to make sure that your data is always available. Number 4, litigation, regulation, and compliance. Running an organization successfully requires conforming to industry standards and regulatory requirements. During litigation and compliance audits, organizations are required to share data pertaining to the case. So maintaining a backup would also help you quickly retrieve such data. Number 5, ransomware attacks. Every day, cybercriminals are finding new methods to attack businesses. Some of them use ransomware to encrypt data and demand money. The estimated loss inflicted by WannaCry, a ransomware attack that infected PCs, resulted in $4 billion in losses. Having a backup in place will help you continue your business while you get law enforcement to go after the criminals. Have you faced any of these challenges? How did you tackle them? Let us know in the comments section. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button.